Hi, I'm Jackie Vernon Thompson, a certified etiquette consultant and owner of From the Inside Out School of Etiquette. We're located in Sunrise, Florida, just about 7 miles west of Fort Lauderdale. Educating children and adults on proper etiquette, refinement, and image excellence is my passion. Our school is a place where you or your child can receive training on topics such as reading and communicating effectively, public speaking, table etiquette and protocol, chivalry, sitting and walking gracefully, business etiquette, restaurant etiquette, and so much more. All topics are catered to boys, girls, and adults. Each student learns how to conduct themselves in a respectable manner at all occasions. Our virtual and in-person workshops are interactive, informative, and fun. We make every effort to ensure our students enjoy participating. Each student leaves our workshops knowing they deserve the finer things in life and they are created to live a life of excellence. Not only do we help our students embrace the concept of proper etiquette and refinement, we have available an entire series of 8 etiquette DVDs that can be shipped to you and downloads of each DVD that can be downloaded immediately for your convenience. It has been such a fantastic journey, changing lives and positioning children and adults on the path of confidence, security, and self-love. We have created a curriculum that thoroughly teaches those aspiring to become an etiquette consultant. Yes, we certify individuals who desire to be a certified etiquette consultant. We invite you to join the industry by contacting us or simply registering for our thorough 5-week course on the Become Certified page of our website. It's time to become a change agent, the boss, a certified etiquette consultant. Head over to our page at www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com. That's our website, www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com. If you feel you or your child will benefit from a little more refinement and further embrace the concept of proper etiquette, please contact us. Don't forget, we conduct workshops one-on-one for small groups, large groups, mommy and me, father and child, family, restaurant staff, corporate groups, church groups, and more. We serve students globally and will be happy to serve you. Please contact us at 954-870-6414. Visit us at www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com. Email us at info@fromtheinsideoutsoe.com. Follow us on our Facebook page at From the Inside Out School of Etiquette and our Instagram page at From the Inside Out SOE. Subscribe to our very active YouTube channel at From the Inside Out School of Etiquette. We are an approved vendor for Broward and Dade County Public Schools, and we love what we do with the students. Allow us to be a part of the village it takes to rear your child and a part of the team it takes to help you excel in your career, business, and life in general. We look forward to hearing from you.